Seeing the system UI not responding message on Android? It can be unsettling, but don't worry. In this video, we'll explain the causes and share 12 reliable ways to fix it safely. Part 1. Why is System UI not responding on Android? Causes of System UI not responding: outdated updates, low storage, problematic apps, cache issues, faulty SD card, launcher conflicts, limited hardware, malware, excessive background tasks, system corruption. Part 2. How to fix System UI not responding on Android in 11 ways. Fix 1. Plug in the charger. Fix 2. Restart your device. Fix 3. Remove widgets from Android screen. Fix 4. Move SD memory card. Fix 5. Reset app preferences. Fix 6. Clear app cache. Fix 7. Update or reinstall the app. Fix 8. Uninstall Google App Updates. Fix 9. Clear cache partition. Fix 10. Factory reset Android. Fix 11. Update Android. Part 3. Fix System UI not responding on Android with an expert program designed to handle a wide range of Android system issues. Android Repair can effectively resolve errors like System UI not responding without requiring advanced technical skills. How to troubleshoot System UI not responding on Android phone or tablet with Android Repair. Install and launch Android Repair. Click System Repair and connect your device via USB. Select Android Repair from the menu and click Start to begin fixing your device. Input your device information in the following window and press Next to continue. Manually enter 00000 into the empty field and click Confirm. Please note that the system repair may lead to data loss on your phone. If it is not a Xiaomi or Redmi or Poco device, boot your device into download mode after referring to the image provided below. Once the phone is in this mode, click Next to download the required firmware for immediate repair.